How to use your smartphone as a document camera with IPEVO iDocCam. This video will guide you step by step on how to use your smartphone as a document camera while connecting with IPEVO Visualizer on a computer. We will use an iPhone, but an Android device will work just as well. First, on your iPhone, locate the Wi-Fi setting and connect to a Wi-Fi network. Then launch the App Store and download and launch iDocCam. Now your iPhone is ready to visualize as a document camera. You can utilize a phone stand for ease of use. Let's switch to a computer. Here we use a Mac as an example. Locate the Wi-Fi settings and make sure to connect to the same Wi-Fi network as the iPhone. Then, open a web browser and visit IPEVO.com. Go to the software page, locate IPEVO Visualizer, and choose the appropriate version. Then download and install IPEVO Visualizer and launch it. In Visualizer, select Document Camera and choose iDocCam. Now you're ready to go. You can visualize anything via your smartphone and stream live footage to any Mac, PC, or Chromebook. For more information, please visit IPEVO.com.